Hey guys, it's Deepika here and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we would be exploring Athirapilly, which is actually a riverfront and a waterfall place. I'm super excited for this vlog and there's a trek also. So let's get started with the vlog. Reached Athirapilly and I've got down to take my tickets here. So yeah, this is actually a forest area, restricted. There's a check post here, so you will have to be buying tickets before you reach inside. In case you have a car, I guess it actually has a separate parking fee also. So yeah, that is being done with, and yeah, this is a surrounding. It's completely surrounded by trees. So we would be heading a little further inside here. So we would be heading here further and reach this particular fall and a river area. So we have finally reached the destination here, and we will be entering the place now. There's actually a walk that we have to be taking to reach the riverside, and then you would be reaching the waterfall after a trek down. So we would be exploring this particular place today. So super excited for this. Let's get started and see how exactly this place is. Finally reached the Athirapilly waterfall area. So this particular place actually has an entrance and a walk trail there. So if you see behind me, that is the entrance, and we would be walking inside to reach the riverside, and a little further you'll have to walk down and take a trek down to reach the waterfall area. So I'm not sure as to how are things now, because I had actually visited this place a few years before. So let's see if there is any changes or if there is any sort of an update in this particular place. So super excited to be exploring this particular place now. So let's get started. actually walking down to the riverfront here. So this is completely surrounded by forest. This is actually in the middle of the forest and is taken care by the forest department. And if you see, this is the trail. We will be walking down here. So yes, there is a river here, and actually a little, I believe around the entrance itself, if you walk down, trek down this place, you will be able to find the waterfall. So we would be first exploring the riverfront and then head to the, waterfall then. So I'm sorry, it's like quite steep, so I'm actually trying to control and walk, hopefully not to skid and fall. So yeah, I would be taking you guys along, so let's get started with this trail again. So we are close to the waterfront here. So this is the waterfront and we are just walking down there. So another beautiful scene which this place is quite famous for is the waterfall. So yes, I will show you the waterfall which I can see right now, right in front of my eyes. So that is the waterfall there. Looks absolutely beautiful, and this place seems quite soothing and calm with mountains. There's trees, the forest is surrounded. Amidst this dense forest, there is this particular river that's flowing, and there is a waterfall. This is a treat to watch, guys. Just in case you guys are planning to visit this place, I surely would recommend this. This wouldn't be a disappointment at all. Given, of course, there's water in this particular place. Do not visit this during the monsoons because the current would be quite high. Even now they are not letting us go inside, so I will see how far I can go and show you the best view of this particular place now. So guys, I am enjoying my view, though it's a little too sunny. Actually it is way too sunny, which is why I've got my sunglasses out, which I usually don't wear. So yeah, I have found myself a place and I'm like sitting enjoying the view here. Because the sun is like right direct into my eyes, I'm like wearing on my sunglasses, and this is my view, people. It looks absolutely amazing. I am in fact lost lost for words. I just don't know how to describe this. This will be in full-fledged given you come here around say September, right after the monsoon. You would have water flowing, and I believe you can go inside and at least play to a certain extent, not way too inside the water. So yeah, I've just found myself a place here to sit and I'm enjoying my view. I will walk back, take the trek down, and I will show you how the waterfall is. So I will just spend some time here for myself and I will get back to you while I'm trekking down for the waterfall. So I have started my trek down for the waterfall view. So I started from top there and I'm just walking down. So this is how we would be going down, and if you see from here, you'll have to be walking down there. So yes, I'm just taking baby steps to reach down, and hopefully I am able to see the best view. I do hear the waterfall in a distance here. So let me see how exactly it looks. I'm sorry I'm not looking into the camera because the route is a little too steep and rocky. It is not plain, so I'm just making my way down here. So yeah, just in case you are someone who is who has difficulty of breathing or who has some kind of a problem, kindly excuse yourself from this trek, because it is actually a task to walk down. So as and when I am walking down, I will keep you updated about the things I see on the way. So finally reached the waterfall here. The place looks amazing. They even call it the Bahubali Falls. Many of them say, it's most probably a rumor that the movie Bahubali was shot here. I'm not quite sure how much that is true. So we are just walking up to the waterfall. You are not allowed to play inside or very close to the waterfall, but you can have a closer look. So I'm just trying hard to walk up, and do excuse my shabby hair and face. With this temperature, I'm just not able to, no matter how much ever I trim myself, it still gets back to, being shabby. So let me just walk up to the waterfall and give you a view. So guys, I'm just walking up now. The trek up is really bad. I'm like literally just walking one trail, sitting in one place, again walking another trail, sitting in another place, resting until I like reach up. My head is sort of started to hurt. So just in case you guys are trekking, ensure that you carry a bottle of water and just sip a little as in when you are like walking up, and also ensure that you're breathing through your nose and not your mouth, because you actually are tempted to breathe through your mouth when you are actually climbing up, I'm sorry if I said it wrongly the first time. So yeah, in case you are trekking, always ensure that you're breathing through your nose and not your mouth, because if you start breathing through your mouth, you start you know your breath starts getting even more faster, and you get tired even faster. So always advisable to breathe through your nose. I will take rest, and once I reach the top, I will again get back to you. So this is the state. I just can't breathe enough. It's so tiring, but that's okay. I mean, like, really worth the walk, and maybe it's an exercise for me. I am not a trek person, but if I have to, then I possibly will go ahead and get this done. So yeah, after this short tip that I gave you, I guess I'll just wait for another minute over here and get starting again. Maybe walk as much as I can and then sit down again. So I will catch you once I reach the top, maybe near the entrance. So guys, finally trekked up and reached the entrance. Actual entrance is a little away, but at least to the entrance of the waterfall I have come. Looking like a disaster, but still, hopefully, please excuse after this hectic trek. I'm just bluffing. Okay, so I will head to the next destination. Hope you guys like this content. If you do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave your suggestion and comment down below. Also, in case you want me to do a video here in Athirapilly, staying in one of the hotels or resorts here, do leave your comment down about it. Also, we will try and get that done sometime soon. So yeah, hopefully this content was worth, and also appreciate the effort by subscribing to this channel, guys. So until next time, stay tuned, stay safe. After our trek to the Athirapilly Falls, this was a restaurant that was close by. I did not want to miss because I didn't know if there was any other restaurant. So I went ahead and ordered my food here. I ordered for some chicken biryani, and my dad had parota and some salna that came along. So this was our lunch for the day, and after that we headed to our next destination. So hope you guys liked it. If you do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, stay tuned, stay safe.